What is going on, everybody? My name is Pokemonster here with a brand new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Nintendo DS games on your PC. So, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and head over to this website. It's called melinds64.net. All the links will be in the description below, so make sure to check it out. So once you're here, you'll head over here to download Melon. You want to scroll down to see the window. It's X64, so hit that. I'm gonna drag that folder to your desktop so it'll be easier to install it. Okay, the next thing we need is zip, so extract our file. So it's gonna be two of these. If you're not sure which to get, like this 32-bit, 64-bit, don't worry, I'll show you how to check what bits you have in your computer. So you want to head over to your folder, right click on this PC, go to show more options, and go to properties. So when here on device specifications, scroll down, always say system type. As you can see, mine is 64-bit, so X64. So now I have to get the 64-bit. So let's download that and install it. Okay, once you install the 7-zip, you want to create another folder, so you can drag your Emulator DS there. So right click on your desktop, go to new folder, just call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it DS Emu, so pretty much the DS Emulator. So when you open up Melon folder, you're gonna have this inside. So open your other folder in, the one you just created, and you want to drag that Melon DS in there. Just close it up, close this one again. So we don't need this one, you can just delete it. As you can see, it's gonna look something like this. Now you want to open up the folder, do something like this. So let's open it up, double click on that. As you can see, it's working. So you want to see how load up your games. Remember, for the ROMs and DS games, I can't teach you guys how to get it, so you guys have to look up in Google how to get them. Remember, you have to own the games in order to download those games online. It's illegal to download games that you don't own, so make sure you have those games. So once you have your ROMs, you want to go to File, go to Open ROM. As you can see, I have my ROMs right here on my desktop. So look for you where you make your folder for your ROMs. I'm gonna go to Desktop and go to DS ROMs and open the game up. I'm gonna mute it so it's gonna be a little loud. As you can see, it's working. If you have any question on control, connect your controller, or you're having trouble installing it, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to subscribe for new videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.